In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily solve the anchor link problem on Weebly with a small change to the coding. Anchor links can be a bit tricky, but with these simple steps, you'll be able to navigate your site more seamlessly. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to your Weebly editor. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and log in to access your website's editing page. Once you're in, it's time to expand your toolkit by clicking on Show All Elements. This is crucial because it allows you to access more functionalities within the Weebly editor, giving you the options you need to add custom coding. Now, look for the Embed Code element. Click on it and drag it to the bottom of the page where you want your anchor link to land. This is going to be the destination point for your anchor link, so make sure that you choose the correct spot on the page that you want your visitors to jump to. Once you've placed the element, it's time to edit the HTML. Click on Edit Custom HTML. In the editing box that appears, type in, "This code essentially creates a target for your anchor link at the bottom of your page. It functions as a marker or a placeholder that signals to the browser where to jump when the link is clicked." Next, go back to the main part of your page where you want to add the actual link text. You'll need to drag the text element into this section and type something simple like "Go to bottom page." This text will become the clickable link for your visitors to use. Now highlight the text you just typed and click on Link. In the options that appear, choose Website URL. This is an important step because it's where you set the link destination to your configured anchor point. In the field that appears, paste your website link, but don't stop there. After your link, add HTML/bottom at the end. This additional snippet ensures that when the link is clicked, it directs the user to the specific anchor point we just created on the bottom of the page. To recap, you've placed an anchor at the page's bottom, you created a link at the top, and you've connected them. With these simple steps, you've harnessed the power of anchor links on Weebly. So, try it out and watch as it improves navigation for your site's visitors, making moving from one section to another a breeze. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or need further guidance on Weebly or other web platforms, feel free to let us know in the comments below. Happy editing, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.